The horn is here. Let's touch it. Plugs out. Touch it. I touched the Autohorn today without the plug since it's game day. Hopefully I can plug it in. I plugged in horn. This shows up here, but let's reset everything. Oh, hold up. Yeah, that. Oh, clock up, clock down. Reset, clock set. And reset, period. And I don't know why that 0 thing is still here. Yeah, that's why. Let's touch the Autohorn when the bell rings. That's the 5th bell. Hold up. Stuff are still unstable here. Coach Edwards Autohorn. Competition gym horn in front of 8th graders. I touch the Autohorn today whenever I go to competition gym. And for 8th grade. The horn is here. Let's plug in the Coach Huff Autohorn. Touch it.
Touch it. Yeah, touch it.
No. I plugged in the scoreboard. Hold up. Coach Edwards Autohorn after Coach Huff. Touch it. That's Coach Edwards switch. Sweet flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now the moment of silence. You may now be seated.
We're at the Big Gym, and Coach Big Gym Autohorn. Touch it. I touched the Autohorn today at the competition gym without the plug. Coach Edwards Autohorn. Coach Edwards Autohorn.
I will call your dad. Give me your phone.
2 coaches are in the gym. Yesterday was PSAT. One such Coach Belzini Edwards Autohorn with them.
Good morning, Cougars. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now the moment of silence. You may now be seated.
Scoreboard switch. He's not even looking. Scoreboard switch.
Hey! 2 laps around this field and you got free time.
Scoreboard switch. And it's a little bit cold, so let's hold while I put on my jacket. Scoreboard switch.
Oh my god.
I finally reached the scoreboard switch and KJ. Let's touch the scoreboard switch in front of the girls running on the LTC track. That's the Coach Edwards and Mr. Rojas switch, Coach Bellasini Autohorn switch. I touch scoreboard switch. Another class is outside, and I touch the scoreboard switch in front of them. And they're right there far from me. Scoreboard Switch.
Hi, John.
And KJ.
I want to play football for a minute.
It's Halloween and the horn's here.